Watch me transform this old wood into a new shining wood and make it my window. Here's how I did it. I patch a big notch up this wood and make it clean. I only rough sanded it. Then I ran into my first problem. My palm sander suddenly stopped working, so I proceed sanding it by hand. After I cut and patch all the wood that I needed, and I did a little bit of experiment. What will happen if you soak a bare wood with oil wood stain? And as you can see clearly that doesn't work, so I proceeded in putting a wood filler, and I test assembled the frame of the window, and this is the place where I'm going to put it. I put screw holes on it. Here I'm making a groove for the glass to sit in. Here I forgot to patch this hole. The next morning, the glue dried up. Here I'm mixing a sanding sealer. What that does is it covers the micro forces of the wood, so it will be smooth when you sand it. And also I'm mixing a little bit of tinting color so I can get the dark brown color on the first layer. Now it looks like a giant chocolate bar. So I can say that we achieved the color that I want. Not perfect, but it's fine. Now we have to sand it with a fine grit. And now my sand started to work again. But I need to be careful not to overuse it. After sanding it, giving it a quick wipe, and proceeding to the oil wood stain. The oil wood stain I have is this color, but yeah, I don't want to waste it, so I use it for this project. The color of the wood is not really matching, but I guess I have to use what's left. After one coat of oil wood stain, I placed it under the sun to dry up and let it soak the oil stain. Now just fitting the top wood. Looks like I got it fitted, but to be honest, I did this a couple of times and finally it fits. I'm gonna test fit it again on the concrete wall just to make sure that it fits before I put on the top coat. Test fitting it. Looks like it fits, but you really need to work it out for the window to really get in. It fits, and now I disassemble it so I can put on a top coat. I decided to use spray can so it will be more affordable. I didn't really bother to use an air compressor because spray can is the cheapest alternative. Well, it's not really that good compared to the air compressor, but it do the job. And this is it, the window. We need to put a sealant on the side, and it's done.